Well, shit, how we doing today? Just want to welcome you back to this channel, and we're gonna do some transmission tunnel work, if you know what I mean. Well, today I'm gonna get the rest of this notch out. Crazy enough, that drive shaft is gonna fit right up. I didn't think, but I gotta cut the back of that cab out to make clearance for that. So I got the back half of the transmission tunnel in there already, and I got the front broke out. I just got to get it fit in there. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge just because the shit's tight. I should take that transmission out, but you know what, I really don't want to because I don't fucking want to, you know, as simple as that. I just don't. So hopefully we can get it in there without doing that. Well, folks, this is what she looks like. Gotta clear that gear shifter yet. I'm thinking about making this removable just to make it easier on myself, but oh shit, this fucking camera's too big. I can access all the trans bolts from up here. I don't know, I might have to. I just got that all tacked in, and that's what that's gonna look like right there. And I got to finish my floor out. I got the flange made for around there, so that's all bolted in. The bolt's in right there, and there'll be another flange about right there to catch that for. Same thing on the other side. Well, here's the layout of that floor. This bead will get stepped up. This bead will get stepped down. Cut that hole. Cut those holes. Break down. Break down. Break. 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 Well, that's what the floor is going to look like, pretty much on both sides. I just got this side done for now, but it's tacked in. And I'll end up spot welding and seam sealing that afterwards. Within the trans tunnel, we'll just rib nut in and be removable. Well, there you go. That floor is in there. So now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna weld that out. I need a second person to weld the firewall out, so I won't do that yet. I can weld those, cut that, but I think that looks pretty damn good. Go to the other side. I'll cut that out later and make a panel for that, but it's not really necessary now. A little hole for the brake to come through. I rib nutted those, so it's all bolted in. I'll end up rib nutting the top of this so it bolts through the firewall. Just so you see the bolts here instead on the inside. Alright, well today we're going to mount this fuel cell. We got a 20-gallon fabricated fuel cell, and we're gonna put a bar from here, there, this bar here, and then we're gonna build straps that go with the tank and bolt here, and then a bolt to that one as well, just to make it removable and to hold all that weight. It's gonna be a lot of weight in that tank once it's full. Okay, fuel cell is mounted. Got the bolts in there. We got the tabs down here, and then I'll end up putting some sort of cushion, some sort of rubber or corking or something in there to help rattle and not rub aluminum against steel. Still got welded out and drill the holes, but fuel cell's in there. Getting this fuel pump mounted up. I'm just gonna do a simple bracket down, mount that fuel pump. They say you're supposed to mount it as close to the tank as possible, so I'm gonna do it right off the tank pretty much. Fuel pump's mounted. I ended up going with a little different bracket. I used an old square that I had laying around, just cause. But be a line in, flow out, go through the frame rail all the way up to the motor. Well, I'm not really sure how much footage I actually got in this video, because it's been a couple weeks, but I think that's the end of this.